And you remember all that dirt that was over on the edge of the grass, and there was a big old pile right there. Well, I scraped it really close, carefully, and I took my my little shovel that I was using, and I just used that kind of like a rake at the end, sideways, and just kept brushing it off. And I might even take a broom to it. You know, after this stuff dries, you could take a hand broom and, you know, clean up around the edges. Granted, after you get everything done and you get off most of the dirt, eventually you're not gonna see any of this, because it's gonna go underneath the grass. But do the best you can. That's all I can say. Okay? Because when you get done, that's your stamp of approval, and that's your mark of a good workmanship, is how this looks when you get done. Okay? Take your time and do it right. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And I tell you, I will never make a video that I think you can't do.